Hey everyone, hey, it's Andrew here with Sony, Central Regional Project Specialist with ES and Custom Installation. So I'm here at Sony headquarters in our projector lab with a really exciting brand new product. It is our brand new BRAVIA Projector 8 and BRAVIA Projector 9, otherwise known as the XW6100ES and XW8100ES. Well, these are amazing new projectors with great picture quality, powered by the all-new XR for Projector processor, and they're going to blow you away with their image quality. We have now outfitted these new BRAVIA projectors with our corner keystone correction. What this is going to allow you to do is adjust not only a vertical keystone, not only a horizontal keystone, but a keystone correction in all four corners. Okay, so using my test pattern, I've got my projector all lined up on the screen, and I'm really good in most areas here, but over here on this right side, I've got a little bit of a trapezoid error where I'm kicking off the top and the bottom of the screen. So we need to correct for this and bring this image back down into the screen area. So to correct this, what we want to do is we actually need to oversize the image just a touch so we have some room to correct. Now that I've got my test pattern laid out, I can go exit out of here and go back to my main menu. So now I'm back with an image, and you will want a test pattern from your favorite calibration disc or a variety of sources out there. They'll give you some geometry test patterns to allow you to fix this problem. Because again, if you look at that top right corner here and that bottom left corner, you can see those circles are actually shooting off the screen just a little bit here on the top and the bottom. So I'm going to go to my menu now, and I'm going to scroll down to my little wrench icon and get into my installation settings. And again, you'll see that new setting right here with corner keystone adjustment. So I can go through and do those adjustments in all four corners. So since my problem is on my right and my left, let's go over here to that top right corner, and I will select this, and I need to bring this image down just a touch here. Now, if I bring it down, and I'll start hitting that down arrow, and whoa, wait a minute, I got carried away there. You can go down a lot. Well, what about in? Well, just for grins here, let's see how much we can go in. Wow, that is a lot of adjustment. So let's just get back out of here, and I'm going to reset this and go back to square one. But again, you can do this in all four corners if you were so inclined. But I just want to do a few little adjustments. So again, I'm going to go back to that top corner here, and I'm going to click this down just a few clicks until, all right, now my geometry circle in that top right is all right there on my screen. So I'll hit OK to get back into the selection menu. I'll go down to this bottom corner. Now my bottom corner needs to come in and up just a touch. So I'll give it a couple of clicks in. The right side of my circle is now on the screen, and I'll give it a couple of clicks up until the bottom of my circle is inside the screen. That's it. It's done. I hit menu to exit back out, and we can now continue on with the rest of our installation. Okay, so how easy was that? In just a couple of quick clicks, we fixed that trapezoid error, and we gave that client a picture that's just going to absolutely blow them away. So look for this in the all-new BRAVIA Projector 8 and BRAVIA Projector 9. Stay tuned to the Sony ES and CI channel here for more great videos and more great content here on these new projectors and everything ES. Please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.